We want to solve the following equations. So I've got x plus 9 equals 12. Now I want x on its own. We've got plus 9. The opposite to adding is subtracting. So what I want to do is subtract 9 from this side. But remember the balance. If I do that to that side, I have to subtract 9 from the right-hand side as well. Now subtracting 9 from x plus 9 does give me x. Subtracting 9 from 12 gives me 3. And if you look back, 3 plus 9 is equal to 12, so that is the right answer. Now in this case, we've got 5x, and remember that means 5 times x. 5 is multiplying x. What's the opposite process? Divide. So we divide by 5, and if we do that to that side, we have to divide the right-hand side by 5 as well. And so 5x divided by 5 gives us a single x. 35 divided by 5 is 7. So now we have x take away 9 is 5. The opposite of taken away 9 would be to add 9. So let's add 9, and of course we have to do the same to the other side. So x take away 9, add 9, well that gives us x. 5 add 9 is 14. Finally, we've got x over 3, which means x divided by 3 equals 9. The opposite of dividing by 3 is to multiply by 3. So we'll multiply this side by 3 so that we get x. If we do that to one side, we have to do it to the other side because we need to keep it in balance. So this side is x, and this side is 27.